How to update Instagram on your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can update Instagram on your PC, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you would like to update the Instagram application on your PC, if you have been using the app that you got it from your Microsoft Store, you can still choose to update it. For this, all you have to do is go ahead and then open up your Microsoft Store again. In the search bar, go ahead and then type in Instagram, and then once you type in Instagram, you can open the Instagram app here. And if it requires an update only, then it will show you the update button. If it doesn't require an update, you will see the open or the install button if you haven't done so. Now, because in my case it is already updated to the latest version, you are not being able to see that. But if you do have, make sure to click on that option and your Instagram application will begin updating itself. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically update Instagram on PC. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.